Welcome to Pelican's OEM, or Original Equipment Manufacturer, video. If you're considering a Pelican protector case as an enclosure for electronics, or you just want to protect sensitive equipment, this video will explain your options. But before we get into specifics, let's see how these cases stand up to abuse. I'm on top of the silos at Pelican Products that we use to store the plastic pellets our cases are made from. But this time, we're going to use the silos for an extreme drop test. The glass vase goes in, and the case goes over. Wow! Did it make it? I guess we need a tougher test. You know, at Pelican, we divide OEM customers into two categories: protection systems that use padding and foams, and electronic installations that involve mounting parts to the interior of the case. Protection systems include various types of foam which are shaped to hold the part, but the most basic foam set is a block of foam we call pick and pluck. Just pull out the half-inch cubes and you've got instant protection. Depending on the depth of the case, pick and pluck comes in either 1, 2, or even 3 layers. A set of pick and pluck also includes 2 more foam parts, a 1-inch layer in the base of the case, and the convoluted foam lid liner. Pick and pluck foam is a stock accessory to all our cases, so you don't have to worry about minimum quantities. From here, we go on to custom foam, which begins with a part drawing and a first article made from a water jet cutter. Once approved, the run is die cut and fitted to the case for shipment. Custom foam requires engineering and die tooling, so minimum quantities do apply. Hey, let's run over one with the truck. This is a 5,000-pound four-wheel drive van. We're going to put the axle with the engine weight right on top of that case. Hey, it takes it. Let's take a look at how Pelican Products manufactures cases. It begins as a CAD drawing in a computer, which in turn is used to generate a prototype. A new mold, some weighing 20,000 pounds, is cut from hardened steel. Our cases start out as pellets that are stored in bulk silos. Air pressure moves the plastic pellets through the plant to hoppers attached to the molding machines. Computers control the pellet feed, and foaming agents cause the plastic to expand. This makes our cases the strongest and lightest on the market. Robots deliver the parts for assembly, where stainless steel pins are driven into the hinges, latches, and handles. A neoprene O-ring seal and purge valve is installed, making the case waterproof. Box it up, hit it with our wireless inventory control, and another Pelican protector case is on the road. Let's talk padded dividers. They're really simple. Foam panels are wrapped in nylon and sewn with Velcro ends so they can be positioned wherever you like. Our cube cases are so deep we had to set them up on 2 levels, and the top tray has a mesh zip cover. Now, padded dividers are stock accessories, so the good news is there's no minimum quantity. This little beauty is an engineer's best friend. We invented the idea a few decades ago and named them panel frames, and they're available for just about every Pelican case made. You just drop it in the case, attach the side screws, put in an O-ring, and you've got an instant frame for attaching interface panels like membrane switches. Stops are molded into the case to locate your panel frame. This, along with the depth of the lid, allows for switches and buttons to be mounted directly to the face of your interface panel. Because Pelican cases can be machined and sanded, they make a great enclosure for attaching waterproof bulkhead connectors. While Pelican doesn't sell bulkhead connectors, you can go to pelicanoem.com and find a links resource for manufacturers who do. Time for the water torture. All right, Keith, how's that water test going?
It's going good.
Yeah?
Yep.
What do you got in there?
Well, your cell phone.
My cell phone.
Yep. And your iPod.
My iPod?
Yep.
How long's it been down?
2 hours.
How'd you sink it?
I used an anchor.
How are you going to get it back up?
That's a good question.
Go get it. Anything for Pelican, right, Keith?
Yep.
Hey, dry as a bone. Your logo can be applied in multiple colors as a decal or a hot stamp using strict PMS print controls on any Pelican case. Like everything we manufacture, our printing is 100% guaranteed. Every Pelican case ships with a removable nameplate, which can be returned to the factory in an enclosed envelope. This way it can be sent back to the end user engraved. Hey, I hope we've answered all your questions about OEM applications using Pelican cases. If you need help, just call Pelican's awesome customer service or visit PelicanOEM.com. Have a great Pelican day. I've got some more cases to test. Answer the phone.
Yep.
Give me that. Hello. Yeah, no, I'm in a meeting. Okay. Get right back to you. Bye.